Welcome to Moran's France, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You're pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Moran's Rants. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Henny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC, a superstition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Moran's Rants. 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 Welcome to Moran's Rants.
Good evening, guys. Good evening and welcome back. Welcome back to Moran's Rants. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. I'm going to break down AMC earnings. I know they come out tomorrow. I'm super excited for it. I will be live. But in addition to that, I want to tell you how I feel AMC will make about a $10 million profit, and that's on the net margin itself. But when you come and break down the cash flow, it looks like they're going to have a significant cash burn. And they disguise that. They really do. They do it pretty well. But unfortunately, that goodwill is burning off as we speak. Now, if you guys don't understand what I'm talking about, I'll show you some of it. So right here, just so that we're clear, this is AMC last year, this very same quarter. You'll see their admissions, their food and beverage, and total revenues. I feel their total revenues are going to be around total about $1.34 billion for this quarter. Ideally, this is the biggest quarter of their year. The craziest part that I think they're going to do tomorrow is I think Adam Aron's going to sprinkle his magic onto the numbers and to tell you just how great the first month of this new quarter was. Guys, July, this last quarter, was one of the best quarters in the history of the movie industry for AMC. Barbie, Oppenheimer, Sound of Freedom, you name it. These movies, Mission Impossible, came out and they carried the month. Now, I don't have another release coming out for theaters in general. Strays is coming out 8/18. I just looked this up. And Gran Turismo is coming out 8/25. I don't think they're going to move the meter, but as far as how they're tracking right now with these big blockbusters this last couple of weeks, AMC is looking healthy on the balance sheet. The unfortunate part is the cash burn part. So when you're looking at a company, you want to like evaluate. This is why Adam Aron says he needs that reverse stock split and he needs the ability to raise money because of what you're about to find out. When you look at a company like this, because I've been breaking down this balance sheet, I want you to look at this crazy number right here, and I'll show it to you. It is going to be on your asset portion of your sheet, and it's going to be on the next sheet right here. It's going to be what we call goodwill. So goodwill for this company is burning off, and it's down here. Oh my goodness, I went the wrong way. Apologize, guys. Hey, no edits, no cuts, one take session. We'll get past this sheet, and now let's get to the assets, and then we'll look at what the goodwill is. And I believe it's right here. Thank you. Oh my God, I did pass it. You're here. So $2.3 billion is where they're sitting at on goodwill. Guys, this burns off. And when this burns off, understand that your assets are going to be outweighed by your liabilities. And what that's going to do is going to lower shareholder equity. Right now, shareholder equity is non-existent. It's actually shareholder deficit. You never want to see this on any balance sheet in your lifetime. Shareholders deficit. You never want to see that, guys. And it's just unfortunate for what you see. Okay, so right now, shareholder deficit puts you in the realm of $2.3 billion upside down, but it's really $5 billion. And I know you guys don't know this, but when you look at the goodwill, it's going to burn off. Eventually, your goodwill gets to zero. Okay. Now, that used to be, and I'll just give you an example of what it used to be. In 2019, the goodwill was $4.7 billion. So when your company gets evaluated for the acquisitions they have made over time, they're going to depreciate over time. So I'm going to give you the example, the classic example of Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond had a goodwill over $1 billion at one point and started burning it off. The minute it hit zero, that means you don't have any more intrinsic value on your company. The balance sheet's going to flip upside down. And yes, you'll incur some penalties for that. There's a goodwill impairment charge on your balance sheet, and that's going to reflect on your earnings. It's going to look terrible for you. So I anticipate the assets coming down even lower, like they have been over the past couple of years. There's enough to burn off, but that 2.4, 2.3 billion eventually will get to zero. And unfortunately, you won't be around that long. This company will be bankrupt well before then because the cash will run out. You cannot turn what it is. So what do I have? I have 1.34. I want to make this very clear. 1.339, 1.34 billion dollars is what I have for their gross revenue. And then net profit, after I've done my math, I'm guessing around $10 million. $10 million of net operational profit. The unfortunate part is that cash burn is going to be over $200 million. So you know they don't have a lot of cash left. They know they don't either. But this is the breakdown that I have of the balance sheet itself. If you guys want to see it live tomorrow, just know we're probably going to be dead on the number. So I just wanted you to know what's coming your way. Unfortunately, if you're invested and if you think the stock's going to go up, it'll be a temporary high, kind of like today being pushed up because of the options. Sorry for the poor lighting here, guys. I don't have on the other lighting. Keeping it dark just for myself. Whenever I'm in my cave, man, I just start dialing it in. But if you're an AMC, guys, understand this might be your last temporary pop, but the next quarter looks like it's highly inflated based off of June or July. I apologize, but September won't carry you, nor will the next couple of months because it's just not enough. But just know this is not a long play. This is not a real play, a legitimate investment. This is a straight swing trade. This is, in my opinion, of course. And then if you want to get out, well, then you might need to find your exit. But for you guys out there looking for $20, $10, I don't see that coming. Just let you know, because you are held down by APE. And what the outcome is of that lawsuit and the conversion that will happen to this company and the stock. But you're looking at around a $3 stock conversion would take you to around $30 a share based off of the market caps, based off of what this company is really worth. And then from $30 a share after that 10-to-1 reverse stock split, it will come all the way back down. So you've been told, and I tell you every day, I tell you for the last 3 years, this is not the company you want to invest in. Or maybe it is. Maybe all you guys want to lose your money. But that's what's happening with the stock in the company. $10 million, okay, is the best case scenario that I see. But I could be wrong. It could be more than that. But the unfortunate part is you're going to be masked. The part is 10 million. Boom, made a profit. The truth is you have no more cash left and your goodwill's burning off into the night. You're going to lose it all. I'll be the one to tell you. That's why Adam Aron's panicking. That's why he writes an open letter. And that's why everyone wants this conversion to happen right now. They need to raise cash. They don't have any. Peace.